Madame, Monsieur, bonjour! Today we're gonna learn how to pronounce the vowel combinations in French. Alright, first of all, maybe a little reminder about what are the vowels in French. They are six. In English, they just five. In French, they are A, E, I, O, U, Y. This one is French. In English, they don't want it, but in French we want it. Y is also a vowel. Alright, now the vowel combinations. Let's start with the letter A and let's see what sounds we can create by combining A with another letter. Let's start with I. AI will actually create the sound E. E, like if you say, for example, la maison. La maison, that means the house. Now, AU. AU will create the sound O. Like if I say, for example, autobus. O. Like the letter O as well. Sometimes this O will change to be pronounced a bit more open, like O. Like if I say, for example, yellow. Jaune. Jaune. Autobus. Jaune. It's a tiny bit different. That will be up to actually what syllable you have after. Then with A you can also create the sound en. A-N, like if you say, for example, maman, maman, mommy, la maman, the mommy. Alright, let's have a look now to the second letter. Letter I. If you combine the letter E with a I, you're gonna create the sound E. So before we had AI that was E, this time EI will create the sound E. Like if you say number 13, which has EI in it, and that will create the sound 13, 13, or 16, 16, like this. Then after EI, you also have EU, and that might remind you at least maybe two numbers. You have number 2 that you're gonna say deux, deux. It has EU in it and the sound is E, like the letter E by itself. But it also creates the sound like neuf, number 9, neuf. So you have deux, you have and this is again up to what you have after this syllable, EU, and then another syllable after, sometimes change the pronunciation. And the next sound you can create by using E, it's EN. EN, that creates the sound en, like AN before. En, AN, and en, EN, same sound. If I say the word l'enfant, l'enfant, en, basically the same sound, that means the kid, and you have EN and AN in it. Alright, let's change the letter. After the letter E, let's have a look to the letter I. IN specifically. IN will create the sound un, like 5, 5, like this. Then we have the letter O. The letter O, for example, OI, will create the sound wa. 3, number 3. 3, wa, like this. Then you also have the sound OU, 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 like 12, OU, like this, OU. And you also have the sound on, like 11, 11, 11. And to finish, you have the last letter that also creates other sounds, like other vowel combinations. It's the letter U. U and N will be number 1. Number 1, Just a little recap. EN, AN will sound en. IN will sound un. ON will sound on. And UN will sound un. It's a bit hard sometimes to actually notice clearly the difference, but by using them, you're gonna see it's quite clear. My little tip for this end of video, have a look to the colors by yourself. I'm gonna make a video about it, but you will see that it's a good way to actually practice the vowel combination because you have heaps of different vowel combination in these words, and they're quite useful in everyday's life. All right, I wish you a good day and see you soon. À bientôt.